Hey friends, if you wish to fix internal SST microphone not working on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, the first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next one is to check the microphone physically. Okay, just physically check whether the microphone is good enough or not, or whether there is any obstruction or something like that. The next one is to update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio drivers. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. And right click on the second one and select update drivers. And lastly, you can run the audio troubleshooter if it exists, though I think it has been removed, but still, right click on the start button, select settings, go to system, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.